All right, welcome to video 4. This is the finished product. This is the next morning. I sprayed these last night at about 8 o'clock. I put 2 coats on it, just like the can said. Waited a half an hour, unmasked it. I did leave the hood popped overnight so that gasket did not hit the headlight. I've made it out to my car this morning and went ahead and put the hood down and began this video. This will not be long. This ended up being much better than I anticipated it coming out. The sand scratch is filled in good. The headlights look like they're brand new. I'm going to be completely straight about it. I've had this car almost 2 years, and I failed. My headlights were so faded and yellowed, I failed to notice these splines in the headlight. And furthermore, as I get real close here, this silver, I guess, styling cues inside the headlight. I've had this car almost 2 years and did not notice that. That one's on me. But again, I am really happy with this project. I'm going to put my email in the details of this video, and if you have any questions, please contact me and I'll try to explain as best I can. I did this completely outside. Of course, that takes nice fall weather or spring weather or midsummer cooler weather like we're having right now in the St. Louis area. But do not be afraid to tackle this project yourself. It just takes a little bit of effort and a little bit of, probably the most important ingredient is want to. But you'll be very happy with the product. Check out my other videos. Email me with questions. Thanks for watching.